For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you considering upgrading your drone game with the DJI Mavic 3 Classic? But here's what surprised me: this quadcopter is not as beginner-friendly as I thought it'd be, despite its impressive features and sleek design. First of all, let's talk about what makes the DJI Mavic 3 Classic stand out. With a 4:3 sensor, 10-bit color, and a 24mm equivalent focal length, this drone is equipped to capture some truly breathtaking footage. But have you seen the price tag? It starts at $2099, that's right, over $2,000 for a drone. Therefore, it's no surprise that DJI has marketed the Mavic 3 Classic as a professional-grade drone, but with a user-friendly interface. However, after using this drone extensively, I'm here to tell you that it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Therefore, in this video, we'll be diving into the pros and cons of the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. So, is it worth the investment? Let's find out. One thing that really stood out to me was the incredible image quality. It's truly stunning. The colors are rich and vibrant, and the detail is unmatched. But I soon realized that achieving these results isn't as straightforward as I thought it'd be. Therefore, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. If you're a beginner or an intermediate drone enthusiast, you might find yourself getting frustrated with the Mavic 3 Classic's complex settings and features. However, if you're a seasoned pro, you'll likely appreciate the level of customization available. Now that we've got the basics out of the way, let's talk about some of the specific issues I encountered while using this drone. For one thing, the battery life is surprisingly short. Even on the most efficient settings, I was getting around 25 to 30 minutes of flight time. Therefore, it's essential to factor in the cost of extra batteries if you plan on using this drone extensively. Also, be prepared for some serious sticker shock when you see the price of replacement parts and accessories. But here's a twist: despite these drawbacks, I still found myself falling in love with the Mavic 3 Classic's smooth, silky footage. Therefore, it's clear that DJI has done something right with this drone. So what's the verdict? Is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic worth the investment? In my opinion, it depends on your skill level and budget. If you're a seasoned pro looking for the best image quality possible, then yes, this drone is definitely worth considering. However, if you're a beginner or on a tighter budget, I'd recommend exploring other options before shelling out over $2,000 for this quadcopter. Therefore, in conclusion, while the DJI Mavic 3 Classic has its pros and cons, it's ultimately up to you to decide whether it's right for your needs. For the best price, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching.